Well, I know that we have to stand up for our vote. I'm here to back my vote, to back my party, to back my people, and to back Georgia. So it was major important. It's more than words can describe how we have to protect our Constitution, and I'm so proud that we are actually taking time to do this for our country, because it's a mess. There's a very, very murky, deep, toxic swamp right now going on, and we've got to back Georgia. We have got to back Georgia.
For our president, for our future, for Georgia and for America, cast another vote for all that President Trump has accomplished. Cast a vote to send David Perdue and Kelly Loeffler back to Washington, D.C.
It was an honor to meet the Vice President, and for him to come and be here for Kelly Loeffler and David Perdue. I think that was an awesome thing, and not very many people it would come out and stand in this cold weather. I'm here for that reason, to support our country, number one. USA, number one.